Hello active traders, this is Ken Calhoun recording this on Sunday, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. June 22nd, 2020. We're going to look at our trading week ahead. Condensed video here. As always, all information is for educational use only, not making advice about to buy, sell, or hold. And by watching this, you agree to not make actual trades using the information presented herein. Hey, a quick note here. I've got the kind of Father's Day sale here. At the live chat room annual membership is just $9.97. That's half off, more than half off the regular monthly rate at $197 is around $2,400 a year. You can upgrade to annual for just $9.97 once you register by July 5th, which is just another week or so off. So give that some thought. It's the best deal of the year that I'm going to offer on the live trading room. Popular since the year 2000. So something to think about. Hey, let's take a look at a hot chart. Snapchat. Boom. Flawless victory. Schwang, going from 10 to 22, 23. I think it's beating Twitter. Anyway, good uptrend directional play. Let's first calibrate by looking at the S&P. But that's my chart pick of the week is Snap. 2 snaps. We'll see if it keeps running on up to new highs. We take a look at the S&P 90-day daily candlestick chart. You can see that last week was a little bit troubled. And we had 3 out of, well, I should say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 out of 9 of the most recent candles were red in color. We did get that drop earlier week before last. It's been consolidating though much of last week. So we got a little gap up on Tuesday and it consolidated. What I'm looking for is to see if we lose the critical 3,000 support level, right? The 200 SMA is now parked right above that, but 3,000 is still kind of a round number that everyone's paying attention to. So I'll be short biased by an inverse instruments like TVIX and TZA and the others. They go up when the market goes down if we lose this key level and stay under there for a day or two. If we take a look at our VIX, the other key component of a market analysis, you can see the volatility's picked up briefly. Back here, but it's since faded down the last 5-6 days. So I want to see if we get back over key resistance area in the VIX that I'm using is 38 for resistance and 30 for support. So it'll be interesting to see what our VIX does, but it is a tail of a bouncing VIX, and so for that reason I like trading instruments like TVIX and some of the other inverses that bounce when the market goes down. My favorite inverse instruments for day trading is TVIX, absolutely. I made a winning trade in that on Friday and Thursday for that matter. But if we take a look at the other charts out there, the inverses, I like FAZ. If it comes to life, I like TZA. And the last one is SDOW. I don't know where it's at in that long quote box. But SDOW's a really good one. It's been an uptrend. You can see green candles lately, so that's been a reasonably strong mover. SDOW, FAZ, and TZA are a few favorites. For active day trading, TVIX is really good. Now back to other charts that are in motion to the upside. If we go back to that snap chart, one thing that I want you to pay careful attention to is the fact that we've got a really good directional uptrend here that's lasted for several weeks, all of June, right? It's been quite a few weeks here in an uptrend, and it's broken out of this previous consolidation range. So for that reason, it may be a good play to the upside if it keeps getting buyers north of 23. Gaming stocks, the casino stocks are also looking good. We can see DraftKings is up nicely lately. It's did a nice spike up a couple weeks back, did a pullback, kind of a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, bullish engulfment here, and it's starting to resume its uptrend. It'll be interesting to me if it breaks out over 46 next week. And the last of the gaming stocks to look at is Caesars. really nice kind of long-term uptrend from those March lows down at 5.5. It's over doubled now up near 12.5. So CZR makes sense. But I really like Snapchat. What a nice chart. There's so many charts out there, right? And the challenge is staying focused on which ones have the best likelihood of continuing. So wanted to wish you all the very best for success in your trades. In addition to the S&P, do we lose 3,000 or do we break north of 3150? We'll see which way it goes next week. We don't know what the futures are as of this recording, and we don't know what things are going to look like for tomorrow yet. So keep an eye on that and on the VIX as well. And the trading tip, the momentum, the volatility, and the rest of it. And what I look for again is if the VIX breaks north of 38, I don't want to be swing trading any stocks, right? And still day trade gappers and momentum runners to our heart's content. But if the VIX starts to look bearish, it's not a good idea to hold stocks overnight because they're likely to gap down on any weakness in the broad market. So it'll be important to see if that VIX breaks the 38 on the upside for a bearish sell bias, meaning day trading stocks, not swing trading stocks, and also day and swing trading inverse ETFs are all appropriate strategies if the VIX breaks the 38 and keeps running up. And if the VIX drops back down, which I doubt it will, but if it does drop down under 30 and retests this 26 support, that's a bullish long bias. So if the VIX is playing around down here, the market's likely rallying up at that point. So be ready for it, and we'll see which way things run in our next trading week. And just a reminder, the live room, I do meet Monday through Friday, and we're there every single morning like clockwork for our members. We got members from all over the place, so it's great to see all of you join, and certainly hope to be of service to you and of value to you and giving you new tips and strategies. And I regret I'm no longer doing free webinars other than partner webinars. I'm shifting my focus for at least the next year or two to not doing just a bunch of free stuff for all of you guys on my list, because it's like, why buy the cow when you get the milk for free, as one of my marketing guys said. And so marketing consultants have all advised me, everyone I've checked with, they're saying you're giving away too much free stuff. So no more free content other than the partner webinars, and those are good for getting people new in front of each other's audiences, so that's good to help build a business. Anyway, so that's why and I'm not going to be, I don't know that I'll be doing these week ahead videos every week, but I thought I'd do one today for you guys. So, and also just as a way to remind you that I do have the live room Father's Day sale going until July 5th. The live chat room annual membership, just $9.97. That's a bargain compared to, like when I used to do 2-day seminars in Vegas, it was $1,500 for 2 days with me, which is about 16 hours. This you get for $9.90. For less, you get 30 hours a month of training. That's over 360 hours a year, which is, so for less than the price of a cup of Starbucks coffee per hour, you can join. Anyway, take a look at Trading Open, take a look at the testimonials, take a look at all the information on the site, and I hope to see you there. So take care and stay safe out there and trade smart. Best wishes for success moving forward. Bye for now.